What's up guys, hey, Anthony here at inGear, and we follow a lot of bike channels on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and we were scrolling through Instagram. We found KBO. I hadn't heard of them yet, so we were excited to check out their bikes. We have with us today the Breeze by KBO, so let's unbox. All right, let's get a cool knife shot.
Whoa, whoa.
I totally have cut myself several times. No peeking. Oh. Hey. Dude, it's pretty so far. KBO, let's check out this little box. I'll tell you what, we've opened a lot of bike boxes. This is the first one that the little gizmo box has a brand on it, has their logo on it. Look at that. Look at how nicely this is packed. Yeah, that seems like that should go on first. Charger, Breeze owner's manual. I think this is gonna be a breeze to set up. Ooh, fancy seat. Guys, already a win in my book. My book's not very long, but it's already a win. And then we can stand this up. 750 peak power. Little handy tool it comes with. Whew. Hey, this is a nice tool. Look at. Come here, Mira. Dude, look at that.
Oh, that's actually really nice.
This is. Thank you, KBO. This is great. Keeping this in my bag instead. I've never seen one with a little socket set. So cool. Good job. All right. I like this. I like the shape of this. I've been taking salsa lessons. My wife is a salsa dance instructor. She's been dancing for 10 years. And so my little one-legged self has to go to salsa classes every week. But I'm learning. Oh, baklava?
Wow.
That's Greek, dude. I'm impressed. Put together a lot of bikes. This one looks really nice. Does it have dual front suspension? Look at that. It has front suspension, adjustable. That's cool. This is the longest part of putting the bike together. Oh man. All right, let's check it out. Let's get some pedals going. You go. Oh, here we go. What's in the box? What do you think this is?
What's in the box?
Headlight? Headlight or horn? Uh-oh, here's the real test. Is red positive? Or
The wire.
cut the red one. Cut the red one. Go for it. Yep.
Hey.
Cool. All right. All right, so this took us, well, how long did it take us? All right, so this bike took us about an hour to put together, really because most of it was cleanup. The hardest part to put together, honestly, or the most time consuming, was mounting the handlebars. I'm excited to do a first impressions, get on it for the first time. Beautiful bike. If you're interested in one of these bikes, check out the link below. They have a couple different models and some awesome colors. So stay tuned now for our speed test. Stop this down real quick.